If you're experiencing issues with Valorant multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Valorant server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Update your game. Ensure that your Valorant client is up to date. Open the Riot client, and it will automatically check for updates. Download and install any available updates to ensure you have the latest version. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Test your internet connection by running a speed test. If your connection is unstable or slow, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for better stability. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Check if firewall and antivirus settings to ensure that they are not blocking Valorant. Add Valorant and the Riot client to the exceptions list to allow them to connect to the internet without restrictions. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can fix corrupted files and ensure a fresh installation of the game. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your Valorant multiplayer experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.